Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So Bitcoin pressed lower, just below our 73.07 level, and I'll show you how to refine that if anybody is interested on the shorter term charts. You know, we don't go into that all the time because we're going for the big macro levels, but we also got a divergence. So we have lower low in price, higher low in the RSI, classic divergence pattern, rallied back nicely to the 8, now just pulling back slightly. Looks like it's going to recover more, also stopping again at the prior Gann level, and also the prior support becoming resistance. Now once we get through there, watch for a return, first of all about 75.80 to 7600, and then if we get through that level, we'll be watching for about 77.20, right around in there. Let me show you. I just mentioned how to fine tune a level. So you could also go down to like a 1 hour chart or something and go from the most recent swing. So most recent swing coming back to these pausing lows. Let's say you wanted to fine tune to see if there's, what's the fine tune level down here. Here's our major level at 73.07, which is started to dip low. Well, let's see the next little micro level if you're really looking to fine tune this. Well, this little projection gave you 72.84, and whether you went from there or you could have gone from there, and it's an area. You're not trying to kit the exact number. This gives you 72.83. And what do we spike down to? 72.82. So that would be another level. Also, you can see here, lower low in price, higher low in RSI. So you can also fine tune this down on the 1 hour time frame. So that's just a way you can use shorter time frames and the same techniques to fine tune the bigger time frame levels. Let's zoom out to the daily chart. So you also said, remember I said in the prior level, watch where this 50 is coming in, so don't ignore this level. 50 came in, ignore it, coming with that level. Now it looks like we're at least holding here with a temporary spike bottom, and you see all this other prior support. But these levels also help fine tune because is it going to stop here? 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 Well, now we have a target within that range of really what we're targeting to watch for some kind of reversal trade. On a rally up also, you have the hooking over 8, which is going to be some minor resistance on the daily, which comes in about that 77.20 area, 77.07. Through that, you can watch for minor 78.15, and then this prior breakdown level. And these are levels you can either take profits if you were doing aggressive buys down here or moving up stops. Next thing I would watch for is this area right near about 79.35, which is the prior support becoming resistance area. Now, if we turn around and go lower, 71.74, then we could also drag this down to look at the next levels. Look at that. We have a cluster right here at the 50% retracement, so that's going to be pretty. I'd really focus on this 71.28, 71.30 level right in here if we do turn lower and this temporary low does not hold. That's what we have for you on Bitcoin. Switching over to Ethereum, we have the next level down at this 398 level. This didn't need much fine tuning. 397.97 was the low, rallying up. This did have a slight divergence also. If you come down here and look at this candle, lower low, you can clearly see that in price. If you come down here, it's 1162. This was slightly higher at what's that coming in, 1314. So slight divergence there, rallying up, actually getting into the rotation zone. Just a minor pullback there. So this is looking like there's some pretty significant resistance still up here about this 421, 422 level. If we do get through there, then I'll be watching for the 432 to about 435 level. Let's actually zoom out to the daily chart though and see what that looks like. Yeah, 432 to 435 right in there. Gann level, this is prior support becoming resistance and the declining rotation zone and the Gann level all meshing together. So I would definitely move up your stop or take some profits if you were doing some aggressive buying down here. Then the next level through that would be the return to this 62.5% retracement area, 446, with the declining 21 and this prior support again becoming resistance. Now let's dip down. Since we don't have a strong cluster down here below and I have bigger levels, let's just see if we come down here what that reinforces. So if we turn around and sell off again, still be watching this 387 to 391 area and then fine tuning it with the shorter term charts as we sort of went over with with Bitcoin, and then but the major level down now we have 376 to 377. So if we rotate back up and then sell off again, that's the major target you'll be watching for. So we have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and I hope this helped everybody also learn how to fine tune the levels and just how we're having analysis and keep fine-tuning our analysis. And we have the divergence setups, we projected the levels, and those were, again, those are very aggressive buys because you're going against the rotation zones. So keep that in mind. That's why you just don't want to buy and say, oh, this is going to 20,000. No, this is a temporary short-term buy, and at least move up stops or take profits in case it rotates back down again, so you protect yourself. Again, that's what we have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.